So, what's poppin'? Well, Jack Harlow is. I know, sorry. Let's try and cover one of his songs, and hopefully we can get it sounding a bit like this. Sports in the Top 10. Let's get into it. Let's get under the covers with What's Poppin' by Jack Harlow. What is poppin'? A brand new jacket just hopped in. I like to wear this jacket on special occasions or for gigs. And today's a special occasion because we've hit affiliate on Twitch, which is very exciting. So woo, go Twitch. All right, what's poppin'? When you hit affiliate, that's what's poppin'. Bam, wow. Okay, let's find the key. Chords, BPM, title, color. Let's hit it. I like to start at bar number 33. Title, what's poppin'? Color, he's wearing blue jean kind of material. Denim, cool, we'll go for blue. BPM, I'm gonna play it on Spotify, try and get my metronome going along with it, and see where we end up. Back in a minute.
12 seconds later.
BPM, 145. Lovely. Let's write these out. What's poppin', yo? Key. I think it's E minor. Let's just play it really quickly. As far as I can see, it just stays in the E minor. And we could also call it like a G major if you wanted to. And we could call the chord of 1 or the chord of 6, minor each way. Let's leave that there. For the keys, I'm going to use the Addictive keys. I got a demo here of a Studio Grand and it sounds pretty good. So let's go with that. I'm going to start off by doing the right hand line, the main melody, and then we're going to throw in this left hand bit after. So let's start with the first one. Here we go. Right hand. Let's record that in. Cool. And maybe we can just get that on the loop. Probably quantize those volumes, fixed velocity, and double it across. Okay, and then we get the left hand, which I think hits an E and then a G. E and then G, and hits a B when the first note plays. So let's do that. Left hand, we go. This one's going to be very wobbly, and it's going to have a lot of RC20 on it. Kind of like that pitch bend wobble, I think. Let me fix our velocity. EQ out a little bit low, just sounds very loud. Gonna make the right hand a little bit more reverberated. Let me throw the RC20 on it and then we'll have a listen. And then gonna put some RC20 on the right hand, but way less of it. There are chords there. I might be able to hear it in the first one. Good shout, Watchtower, great shout. Let's throw more notes on that left hand. So maybe just like 1-5, so it's the E and the B at the same time. The flow in his rap is so good. Silence at the 3, I think. Boom, boom. Could work though, that could sure work. They could just be triads. Maybe just playing the C here as well. Just joshing. I was in this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the Top 10. So bad. Nice. All right, cool. Piano's done. Let's have a listen. Okay, so there's our pianos done. Next, we're going to go for the 808. I'm pretty sure it's an E, and it goes to G1, and then it goes back to E, then it goes to a B, and then back to E. We've got an 808 Cobra sample pack from Cymatics. 808s. Who doesn't like 808s? So it goes back to the... Sweet, so it goes back then to C. That's sick. E... G, G, C, E, B, B, C, E. Let me just quantize that. 808's nicely in time. I'll fix the velocity as well. We'll put up the full velocity just so we can really hit that. I kind of want to hear the difference between saturation and overdrive in this and see what the difference is and see if I can actually get saturated sounding nicer because it'll give it a little bit less crunch and more of a kind of nice shine to it. So let's just see if we can get that working. That's probably the main thing I want to see if I can get working here. So I'll go for the Saturn in FabFilter. Cool, I'll leave it there for the minute. Let's throw in a snare. So I think there's a snare on the 2, on the 4, and sometimes on the and of the 3. And then I think there's one on a 3-4 at some stage. Play a splice and let's get some snares. Snares and claps. I like this one. Clap number 1. Let's put in 2 claps, okay? And then let's try and get some nice thick snares as well. It's funny, they're under the snare category, but they're definitely claps. Maybe this guy could add a bit more beef to it. Let's have a listen to these 3 and see how it sounds. Yeah, maybe just one more like real clappy clap on top of that. Oh, will I use that as like the small clap actually? Will I? That's probably a good shout. I feel like these need to be a little bit more staccato, don't they? Let's change the sampler sound, will we? And let's see if I can get there's a hi-hat. I think I like these Harlem hi-hats. It's probably not the right one. And I might use the sampler, the sequencer for these hi-hats. Let's give that a go. So what we're gonna do is press P, piano roll. Step sequencer, glorious. Here we go. And we've got our hi-hats. Yeah, it's way more openness. Okay, so let's try and get the right sound now that we have some sort of rhythm. Rhythm. Brand new whip just hopped in. Cool whip. So if we throw this open eye out on the 2, sweet, genius. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What about the kick then? Does the kick just follow the 808? Yeah, that sounds stupid. Okay, so let's duplicate this across then. I'll bring up the piano so we can actually have things beside each other. Spots in the top 10. Yeah, Command or to duplicate across. Let's get 4 of these. Get rid of the kick for the start. Nice. Boom, but, boom, but. It's on the end of 2. Sweet. There's no music at the start when he says, what's poppin'? So, what's poppin'? Brand new whip just hopped in. So we stop everything dead here and just make a little stop. We'll try that. Let's see how this sounds. What's poppin'? Brand new whip just hopped in. Yeah, something like that. Cool. I like that little stop there. It's pretty sweet. Let's just record in the vocal so we can actually see what's going on. Quickly throw on some EQ. If you want to know more about vocal production, just after releasing a video on that, you can check the link above. If you want, of course. No pressure, no pressure. But you might learn something, who knows? Cool, let's sing this. Gonna need the lyrics for this one, and maybe just another sip of hydration. Shouldn't have caffeine before singing, but I suppose I'm not really singing, am I? Cool, let's sing this in. What's poppin'? Brand new whip just hopped in. I got options, I could pass that like Stockton. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My buddy got rid of them toxins. Yeah, sports in the top 10. What do you think? It wasn't too bad, right? You can really hear my jacket rustling, so I might get rid of the jack for a second. Apologies. PG rated still, hopefully. Hopefully? Let's sing that again. And I just want to throw in a few things. Let's get that micro shift in. That's really important. And I just like it on bus 30 as a habit now. I'll just cut off some low ends so it doesn't get too wild. Sound Toys is the best bundle. Okay, we try this again. What's poppin'? Brand new whip just hopped in. I got options. I could pass that last stocked in. Just joshing, I'ma spend that holiday locked in. My buddy got rid of them toxins. Yeah, sports in the top 10. Now you can see why I don't really rap, man. I sound like a child. Let me do it one more time. I'll double track it, see how it sounds any better. What's poppin'? Brand new whip just hopped in. Don't think it's perfect, but it's not awful. What's the end of that? The end of the track? And let's just throw that in and then we're done, so. Pop him on the 3, get rid of the M bit, and then stops there, I think. Sports in the top 10. Yeah. Let me put the isotope filter on this. Right, so this is how we get the the zoom, the vinyl crack. So if we just put a little bit of spots in the top 10. Yeah. Okay, sweet. Let's have a listen to the full thing. Sure, to be rude, not to. No, it'll be very rude. So we might as well. Here we go. You ready? This is What's Poppin', all in caps now, mind you, by Jack Harlow. I love the beat. The beat's serious. I'm afraid I'm not the best rapper, so I tried my best. Apologies. Maybe I'll stick to singing. Here we go. All right, let's have a listen. Here we go. What's poppin'? Brand new whip just hopped in. I got options. I could pass that last stocked in. Just joshing. I'ma spend that holiday locked in. My buddy got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. Like Stockton. I love that beat, so good, it's so simple. Not too many elements, but it hits so hard. Just a reminder, I have a server over on Discord where you can meet and chat to like-minded musicians and maybe even collab. So many talented musicians over there, worthwhile checking out. I'll leave the link down below. All right, thanks for hanging out, appreciate it. Sorry about the ruffling with the jacket. It's one of the cons. Hope you're all keeping well. Best luck with the music making. Cheers.